today we're going to be doing a 10-meter walking test. We're going to do it at a few different speeds, but for this first piece, it's just going to be walking from this very first piece of tape. Don't worry about the ones in the middle. This very first piece of tape to the very last piece of tape. And just walk like you normally would, and don't think too much about it. Just walk from, I'll tell you when to go, so I'm going to just explain a few things first, okay? So we're going to go walk down, go that way. We're going to take a tiny pause, and we'll walk back, and we'll go one more time, okay? After that, we're going to increase our speed a little, but for these first three ones, just regular speed. I'll tell you when we're going to pick up the speed. This is just going to tell us some different things about what's going on with your walking speed and help us to make some clinical decisions from there, okay? Ready? So just take a little stroll. I'll walk right behind you, and here we go. Go ahead, walk towards that way, just normal walking, however you would. Like I said, ignore that first piece of tape and just walk right past that last piece of tape, okay? Yep, good. Just a second, and you could just write down some stuff, and then we'll go to the next piece. All right, so same exact thing, just walking like you normally would, and here you go. So start at that first piece of tape and go all the way to the last piece of tape, ignoring the ones in the middle. Ready, set, go. Good, good. Okay. And we'll do it one more time at this nice pace. And okay, exactly the same thing again. So we start at this first piece and go when you're ready. Ignore that first piece of tape, just like we've been doing. Great. Okay. So now we've got these pieces of information. So now we're going to increase our speed and get a little bit faster. Okay, so kind of as fast as you can, but not run. Where it is, we're gonna walk quick, like we're in the city and we're kind of in a hurry. Okay, ready? Same thing. First piece of tape to the very last one, and go. Exactly. Okay. And I know you walk a little bit faster than I thought you did. It's good. We're city kids, right? We have to be fast. Okay. Same exact thing again. Ready when you are? Start at that one, and to the last piece you go. And okay. And last time. You're ready to race. No, I see it. I see it. Okay, and go. Fastest yet. Okay, great. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little pause here and put all these numbers together so you can have a drink of water, do what you need to do, and then we'll talk about what this all means in a second, okay? Great. Okay, so we found the results of our test. So let me just explain to you a little bit about what we did. We made this 10-meter long walk, and then we took off a certain number of meters at the very beginning and at the very end so that they wouldn't sway our results. We wanted to have acceleration time and deceleration time. So we only counted that piece in the middle. That's why we weren't looking at the whole thing from start to finish. Okay, and so what we found is that with your speed, you fall into a range of community ambulator. That's good. So that means that you're pretty independent. You can go outside, go to the store, and like move around outside of your home. These are really good things. We at this gate speed and level that we're at, we want to be really careful about stepping and stairs. So stepping up the curb, try to find the ones where you can make not such a big step, but it gives us a lot of opportunity to work on being able to increase that speed and being able to work on some of the muscle structures that will help you to be able to get those stairs and increase. But overall, these are good things that we're seeing. Okay.